Magandang araw po. Ako si Oli at nagbabalik ang ating lessons para sa inyo, sa mga nag-aaral ng Tagalog-Filipino. Ngayon, bago ang lahat ay gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga members natin sa Patreon. Before anything else, I would like to thank our members on Patreon. Let's talk about the common slang word balato. Pag-usapan natin ang salitang balato. Maririnig mo ito sa tuwing mananalo ang isang tao sa sugal o sa loto, sa sweepstakes nung araw, sa isang raffle. Malaki man minsan o minsan man maliit lang yung panalo niya. May manghihingi ng balato. So you'll hear this. You will hear this word a lot during parties, raffles, contests, or even winnings in small-time bingo. Whenever someone wins, Filipinos often say, balato naman dyan. Balato naman po dyan. So again, what is balato? In Filipino culture, balato is a share of someone's winnings or blessings. It's like saying, give me a share. Give me a share. Out of joy, out of happiness, out of fun, out of closeness to the person who actually won. It's a cut from someone's winnings. Share of money given by someone who won in a poker game, in a billiards match. It's commonly used when someone, well, especially when someone wins the lottery. Ending or sabong. By the way, ending is the ending numbers in basketball. And sabong, of course, is cockfighting. So, pag may nanalo sa sabong, pag may nanalo sa ending, pag may nanalo sa bingo, yan, maririnig mo yan. Balato naman dyan. Someone receives a big blessing. May natanggap na malaking biyaya. Someone gets a job, a gift, in a form of money. May natanggap sa trabaho o may natanggap na regalong pera to. Kadalasan, someone wins the money from a raffle. May nanalo sa raffle. Or someone wins a big amount in a billiard game or a card game, particularly poker. O kaya may nanalo sa billiard o sa pusoy. If someone wins in billiards or pusoy. In some cases, friends might say, libre naman dyan, instead of balato, which means treat us. So, sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, yung mga kaibigan mo baka sabihin, libre naman dyan, instead of balato. So, minsan maririnig mo yan. Ito pa isa, pa-burger ka naman dyan. So, sometimes you will hear this, instead of saying balato, pa-burger ka naman dyan. Buy us burger. That's in a fun and teasing way. Balato is not compulsory, so don't get me wrong. It's just a fun way of asking for a treat from someone who won something. So, uy, nanalo ka sa raffle. Balato naman dyan. Hey, you won in the raffle. Give me a share or give us some share. It's not serious or demanding, usually said in a joking manner or a playful manner. It's about sharing your blessings, and it's a value deeply rooted in Filipino culture. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Now, balatuhan, sometimes you would hear that. Balatuhan mo naman ako. Give me some share of what you won. Or can I have a share of what you received? It's often used in a gentle, especially gentle manner, especially among friends or relatives. So, you might hear, balato naman dyan. May balato ba kami dyan? Do we have a share from that? Balato naman dyan. Oh, you might hear that. Balatuhan mo naman kami sa panalo mo. Give us a share of your winnings. Wala man lang akong balato sa panalo mo. I didn't even get a share of your bonus or your winnings from your winnings. Okay. He gave a share to his friends. Nagbigay siya ng balato sa mga kaibigan niya. And even just a small share, please. Kahit kaunting balato lang. Yan. So there is a dialogue here about someone winning 10,000 pesos. So here it goes. Kuya Jun won 10,000 pesos from a cockfight. Si Kuya Jun ay nanalo ng 10,000 pesos sa sabong. Balato naman dyan, kuya. Give us a share, kuya. O sige, tig 500 kayong lahat. Huwag nyo na akong kukulitin. Alright, I'll give you 500 each. Don't bug me anymore. Everyone was happy not just because of the money, but because of the sharing. Masaya ang lahat hindi lang dahil sa pera, kundi dahil sa pagbabahagi nito sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kamag-anak, minsan sa mga kapitbahay. Dako tayo, let's go to the vocabulary. Vocabulary. So balato. Balato is share of winning. Balato. A small portion given from someone's winnings. Balato naman dyan. Request for a share of the winnings. Asking for a bit of what someone received. Balato naman dyan. Balatuhan mo naman ako. Balato. Panalo. Next word is panalo. Winnings. Prize or reward from a contest or a raffle or a type of lottery. Panalo ako kanina sa bilyar. I won in billiards earlier. Panalo. Next word is barkada. Barkada. Group of friends, buddies. Usually your inner circle, your inner friends, or friends you hang out with. Kasama ko ang barkada kanina. I was with my buddies earlier. Barkada. Next word is sabong. Sabong. Cockfighting. This is a traditional Filipino betting game. Legal na ba ang sabong dito? Legal na ba ang sabong dito? Is cockfighting legal here? Sabong. Next word is kulitin. Kulitin. To pester. To bug. To bug. Someone repeatedly. Ask or asking something or to bother someone. Kulitin. Or to annoy someone. Huwag mo akong kulitin. Huwag mo akong kulitin. Don't bug me. Don't pester me. Don't annoy me. Kulitin. Next word is bahagi. To share. Ibahagi. To share. The act of imparting to someone. Ibahagi mo ang kakayahan mo. Share your talent. Ibahagi or bahagi. Filipinos love to share their blessings. If someone won in the lottery, if someone won in bingo, no matter how small the winnings would be, they would usually say, palato naman dyan. It's not about greed. It's not about getting a portion of the earning. It's about celebrating someone's win. You're celebrating it together. It's one of those words that show pakikisama or getting along with people and togetherness or pagkakaisa. Balato is a unique Filipino way of sharing wins and happiness. Whether it's money, gifts, or blessings, we always find joy in giving. even for just a little bit. This is a word filled with culture, laughter, and closeness. Thank you for listening to our episode. Join our growing community on Patreon. That's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. And if you want to have a serious Tagalog teacher or tutor online, you could register on learntagalogfilipino.com and you could choose from one of the tiers that we have if you're serious with learning Tagalog Filipino. Again, thank you to our members. And if you're learning Tagalog Filipino at kung nag-aaral ka ng Tagalog Filipino, you can do it. Kayang-kaya mo yan.